Yay, hot coffee today. Up at sunrise, so I should be able to get an extra couple of hours of cycling in. I'm aiming at 85 kilometers today. Yesterday, the project was just go north as far as you can, but today I do want to get 85 kilometers to get me close enough to make it to Bahrain for New Year's Eve, but also because there seems to be some kind of beachfront park with mosques, which is on the very, very southern extremity of Dammam, so that looks like a good place to aim for. So that's the project, 85 kilometers in a straight line, presumably in the same headwind. Yeah, I've been brought some hot carrot chai, how nice. My neighbour wanted to know about my experiences in the region and did not have any problems with men. And it's so nice to be able to say, no, with only one tiny exception, I've had no difficulties at all with Arab men so far, inshallah. Shukran. Oh wow, thank you so much.
welcome.
اسمك ايه؟ عبد الله. شرفنا يا عبد الله. انت من سعودي؟
Yes.
نايس. دمام. انت من دمام؟
لا حسن.
حسا. لا اعرف.
انت معلومة اي شيء هنا في السعودية؟
لا اعرف باللغة العربية.
بس معلومة هنا في السعودية؟
اها.
كل نفر انت شوف ما في اي نفر منا كله سمسم سيستر.
Okay, شكرا. لا اعرف. شكرا. Wow, thank you so much. The wind has changed. It's a crosswind now. That should make my life somewhat easier today. Just been stopped and filmed for my first Snapchat of the day. Saudi's are big on Snapchat, I guess. And it's funny to see everyone all rubbed up in their winter clothes, asking if I'm not too cold. And of course, I mean, I could do without the wind, but the temperature is really fine. It's probably like between 15 and 20 degrees, which I'm much more suited to than perhaps they are. But that's why I'm here in the winter, not in the summer, which they would be more suited to, and I would probably die. السلام عليكم.
How are you?
أنا سعيدة جدا الحمد لله. كيفك اليوم؟ This is Hamid.
Yes.
شرفني يا حمد.
شرفنا فيك يا الغالي.
Hamid has given me some water already and then he's turned around and come back and now has given me some perfume. It's called oud. Oud. It
Yes.
smells absolutely remarkable. And he also wants to give me, what's the name of this?
قطرة
Gudra.
شار.
Shan.
This one عقال.
And this is Qatari. You can
Yes.
tell it's Qatari from the long bit.
Yes.
But I regret I probably don't have room for that. But I definitely have room for the oud. Thank you so much indeed.
Thank you, welcome.
You're so kind. أنت كريم جدا.
شكرا.
No, thank you. That's so kind. You're so generous. Thank you so
مع
much.
السلامة.
شكرا.
السلام.
مع السلامة. Lunchtime! So glamorous. I would be down to just Christmas cake at this point if it weren't for Saudi food gifts, but instead I've got crisps, a banana, cashews, an energy drink. That's just in the snack bag. There's a whole separate surprise bag for dinner. Thank you, Saudi Arabia. Lunchtime part 2. I'm making better progress than I thought, so I might get a tiny bit further, but for now I'm just gonna have something to eat in this sort of field of sunflowers if I squint a little bit. There's a town and the sea. It's been 200 kilometers since I've seen anything apart from empty roads and industry. Just hopped online at one of their resorts that I'm passing, and it seems like there's more rain coming tonight, so I need to find some shelter. The park I'm aiming for does have a row of little mosques or prayer rooms, and I know of at least one cyclist here in Saudi that's had success sleeping in them, so that might be the go for tonight. Oh, no problem camping here by the looks of things. And the shelter. Woohoo! I made it before dark, even with an internet break. I think the wind helped me towards the end. Looking for an empty little booth with my name on it. I got one, and it's right by a toilet block. And these guys next door, they look pretty moved in. They've got tarps up and everything. It's busy. What day is it today? Yeah, I made it. What an absolute relief. And a little bit of shelter, because I think it's going to rain. There's a mouse. There's a mouse right where I'm going to camp. I just arrived at the nicest party. Maybe you can hear it. Nice to meet you too. Fatma, Chirafia, Fatma. There's like 30 women here, cousins, aunties. I don't want to turn the camera around because everyone has their faces out. So I'm gonna just let you listen to the amazing party. They've given me coffee and chocolate. I feel so welcome. Thank you. You're the first woman I've met in Saudi. Thank you so much for inviting me. Shukran.
And it's so much food. It's a sweet like found in Oman. It is super sweet and extra yummy. Apparently I'm going to get more of this in Bahrain too.
Rarely, if ever, have I had such a fuss made of me than these women and girls just did. And they've brought me dinner. Almost, of course. I've got, it smells amazing. It's either lamb or lahm, which is Arabic for meat, but it smells tremendous. What an amazing welcome. I'm absolutely stoked. Wow.
Get in my belly.